Hello,
How are you?
how are you feeling? You've got a hit song.
Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations.
What a nice feeling. Remember the time you made me record it 20 times?
That's what you have to do. You have to keep recording.
The consistency. You were like, no, let's do it again, let's do it again, let's do it again. You know, the time I got home, I was like, this song better be a hit. I've never had to record something so many times. So many times. I was like, this song better be a hit. And to my surprise, it's a hit.
Nah, I mean, when I respect, bekitshela ukuthi yabona ezinye izinto sometimes zithatha isikhathi yabo. Ezinye izinto sometimes zidinga ukukhala sometimes kuzoba buhlungu ngezinye iy'khathi,
Yeah.
but if you keep pushing it's gonna work. So the way that you're pulling up, it's amazing. I mean, that voice, if you think about it, people like the song, but people are really captured by your voice and what you're doing on that song.
But
People
I
are
wouldn't have
captured
done
by
it
your
without
voice.
I wouldn't have done it without you. Remember, you made it. You made that thing come out. That thing wasn't. You know, you were like, "Come on, Russ, come on, do it again, do it again, do it again." Up until you got, what we were supposed to get that day. So
Yeah,
everyone,
yeah,
everyone played such a huge part of the song being what it is today. You know.
yeah, yeah. But that's the process. So angifuni ukukhuluma izinto ey'ningi, but ngizothi congratulations, sakujabulela, and thank you for also being part of us and being, being
Thank
part
you.
of the being part of the family, and we're gonna keep pushing the track, and we're gonna keep making sure people spread love and their positive energy. And when I just enjoy this moment, and I know you've got 100 more of those inside of you, so
Just
just
know.
enjoy, man. And I'll see you at Cotton Fest. I'll see you at Cotton Fest. I'll see you at
Lipi
Cotton
kat
Fest.
CP student kat CP student kat
Hey, Spetziaza, my student card. Everyone is looking for the student cards. The student cards are coming. Don't worry.
Do you
The
know
student
which
cards
picture
are
to
coming.
use for my student card? Do you know which picture to use?
Look, I know which picture. Look, can't you see how I'm coming? Look how I'm coming today, dude. I'm the headmaster. Yeah, I'm on the headmaster team.
Please,
Yeah, the brown
please pick
jackets.
the best picture for my student card. I must be the best student in that school. Top achiever. Top
Yeah.
achiever.
Now we'll make sure. We'll make sure. We're working hard now. I'm still doing some phone calls. The lineup, I'm trying to finish it up now. I still need to do like another round of phone calls just to confirm everything. But we're probably gonna put out the lineup end of this week and see what's the story. But you're gonna be there, man. You're gonna be there.
Everyone must be there. Are the tickets sold out or what? Can people still get tickets?
Tickets are sold out for now, but we're gonna see. We're gonna call a couple of people. We're gonna call a few people. We're gonna figure it out. I guess
Okay.
we've got friends in high places, so we need to make the phone calls, you know. So we headmaster got really without the problem being solved, you know. So
Lalela nami ngicela ungiphe ama-tickets awu-3 ngifuna ukwenza i-giveaway.
I'm gonna take it out three.
Ngifuna ukwenza i-giveaway for abantu who have been streaming Sondela and supporting.
All right, so go out two. So go out two. I sent it in. So go out two.
Okay. No, bazo-streama bese soshaya i-giveaway.
All right, sharp. But no,
All
that's
right,
but
thank you
for
so
real,
much.
like, but I've been doing this on the live. They say that I can't sing nicely, so just tell me if this one is proper. Lale, lale, lale.
Okay, lalela.
Oh, Nangu P, by the way, Nangu P. Uthi ngiyamfaka eCambra, bathi ngiyamforsa. Uthi ngiyamfaka. Ngingasamfaki eCambra, bathi ngiyamforsa. Hey,
What's a sizwe? Awuculeke
lalela,
sizwe.
lalela, lalela.
Mm.
Bengizitshela ukuthi uthande benginalala ukwaneli. See, it worked out.
It's a 9 for me. It's a
Okay,
9.
okay, hit us one more time before I go. Hit us one more time.
Yo, isibazothini nje la esaluni. Othi nginishayele kancane. Ngishayele kancane.
Shot.
Okay. The battle is on. It's me versus you.
Thula phela.
Bengisitshela ukuthi thande benginalo alugwaneli si.
Thank you, Siyabonga
I
Resti.
win.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you so much. You know I
I'm with
win.
you. It's a Papa. Can I put you on the camera?
Yes, you can. Congrats.
Hi, Auntie
Hi.
P. How are you?
Good. How
How
are
are
you?
you?
Good, thank
I'm
you.
very well, thank you. You're looking pretty.
Congratulations. Thank you. So are you.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Well
much. I
done.
appreciate it.
All the best,
Bravo.
eh?
Thank you.
Bye.
Satanda, yes.
Nami ngokunjalo. Ngicela amathikithi e-giveaway.
Hands up, Sandela. Don't worry, ne?
Okay, so shall I give away during the week?
Gotcha.
Bye.